Sangeeta's parents are refugees from Sri Lanka. Due to extreme poverty in the refugee camp, Sangeeta was brought up in a shelter home.
My ambition is to be a software engineer. If I get education, I can work in companies, so I'll get good futures. I want to settle down in Bangalore. I want to give better life to my parents. I want to be an independent girl.
Through Make a Difference, she's had mentoring to understand career pathways and a scholarship to university with financial support from Western Union Foundation.
I'm studying Master of Computer Application in university. My parents are very proud of me. Data and technology are new things in the world, so it will help me to get a job in this field. The children in orphanage need more support, so I want to support them, like Make a Difference supporting me. I want to support them in financially. I want to be a role model.